In this video, we're going to go through the process of creating a brand new Instagram business or creator account. It can work on either one. Now, if you have a personal Instagram account with followers and all that, that's totally fine. We can actually convert it from personal to a creator or business account, and I'll show you how to do that. That way, all your followers and past posting and everything can be converted right over, so it's no problem whatsoever. But in order for the automations and the bot to work, it does need to come from a creator and business account. And there's actually some really cool tools and analytics that will open up to you once we do that. So let's start here fresh as if we're creating a brand new account. I have the newly Facebook page that we created on the previous step to the right, and then I have my phone screen over here on the left. Now, Instagram is very mobile heavy, so I recommend just doing this right from your cell phone, so you can follow along on the video, pause when you need to, but we'll just do it right on the phone. So what you do is you click your profile picture on the very bottom right hand side, and that will get you to the page that we're on now. And then you will click your name up at the very top, kind of like where that red circle is. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Add Instagram Account. Now you can either log into an existing account or create a new one. So let's create a new one. Next, it's going to ask you to create a username, and usually we want this somewhat similar to the Facebook page. Again, please keep in mind that the username is very important because it's what we will do to advertise and market. So when a lot of times you see like the Instagram logo, and then it'll say like at Howdy Pilgrim, or at Instant Real Estate AI, or at Eat Drink Locals, etc. So you want your username to be something that is very easy for you to market on business cards or things like that, so people can go straight to Instagram and search your username. When they're searching, that's what Instagram is doing, is searching the username in its database. So we want to make sure that we're kind of strategic on this. So let's enter in Howdy Pilgrim and see if it is available. Hey, it's available. Okay, so I may want to use that a little bit later, so let's do this. Okay, that way it matches the Facebook page, so we'll click next. All right, and we're going to create a password. All right, and welcome to Instagram. Now we're going to complete the sign up process. Okay, next it's going to ask you if you want to find friends. We're going to click next. And we're going to allow contacts, and we're going to skip this for now on the Facebook suggestions. We're going to skip as well to find friends. Let's get the page set up first, and then we can circle back. Add profile photo. So this, just like the Facebook, I have noticed that if you do not upload a profile photo, Instagram will pretty much shut it down right away. So let's go ahead and upload a photo. And we're going to choose from library. Okay, and then there's our same photo that we used on the Facebook page, and you can move it around depending on the photo that you upload, and we'll click done. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll tick this off. We don't need to share it as a post, so we'll click next. And follow 5 people. These are probably people that were recommended based on my personal profile. We'll just uncheck everything and click next. Okay, and that's it. Your page is created. To get back to our page profile, we'll click the profile emblem on the bottom right of the screen, and that'll get us back to this section right here. So we're going to go in and we're going to make this. So this is now a personal page, but we need to make this a creator or business page. So up on the very top right, you'll see the 3 lines. We'll call it the hamburger. It's letting us know there's a new account center. We'll click OK. And then we want to go ahead and find the account type. Okay, we do this by scrolling all the way down at the bottom, but just to show you at the top, if you ever have a problem finding anything in this menu, you can also just search right here. So if we click account, search, then you'll see on the very bottom here, it says for professionals, account type and tools. So we're going to click on that. All right, and then you'll notice that it says switch to professional account. We're going to click continue. Continue, continue, and continue. All right, this is what we'll put in for what best describes you. This will be specific for you. For this test, I'm just going to put in marketing agency. And then you can also display on profile or keep it off. So we're going to keep it off for now. Actually, we'll put a display just to show you what that looks like. So we'll click done. Okay, next up, it's going to ask if you are a business or a creator. So Business is really reserved for more brick and mortar. So if you are, for example, like a restaurant or something like that, then I would do business. If you are a real estate agent, I would go with creator. So we're going to go ahead and go with creator here, and then I'm going to click next. Okay, and you can share your logins using Accounts Center if you'd like. I'm going to click Not Now just for this demo. And then you can go through and kind of complete and build out your profile. I'm just going to exit out of that for now. Okay, and if you notice here, now it says professional dashboard here right in the middle, as well as marketing agency. So we're all set there. Okay, so now that we have this page set up, in case you have a personal account, I want to show you exactly how you can change that over. Okay, and now you'll notice that the marketing agency and the professional dashboard went away. So this is officially a personal page now. So to switch that back to either creator or business, and creator or business can be switched at any time. There's no effect on the bots or the automation or anything like that. Now, if you switch it back to personal, that will automatically disconnect the page from the bots. So if you ever do that by accident or anything, just switch it back to business or creator. It should turn them back on. But if you have any problems, feel free to reach out. So this is a personal page. Let's go ahead and switch it back to creator. We're going to click the 3 lines at the top right, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to click account type and tools, and then we're going to switch to professional account, continue, done. The same exact steps that we did earlier. Not now, exit out. That's it. So as simple as that. So anytime that you want to know what type of account you have, you can click the creator tools and controls, switch account type, and you'll see personal account and business account, which means that you are a creator account. If you're a business account, for example, if I switch over, okay, then it'll say business tools and controls, switch account type, and now it says personal or creator. So whichever one it's not showing is the account type that you are. All right, that's enough for Instagram account creation for now. So let's head back over to Facebook real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to okay, you have officially created an Instagram creator page. So we're all set there. In the following videos, we're going to show how to connect Instagram and Facebook together. And then we're going to show you some key settings that you'll need to do for all of the automations to work correctly. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, let's get to the next video.